So the funny thing about Steven is he was on one of Jabril's videos, or maybe stories, in Bangkok like 6 months ago.
Yeah.
And then he was talking about doing YouTube or something, or videos, and being a creator. And so I sent him an Instagram message like, hey, I'm a creator in Bangkok, you know, maybe we can link up, whatever. And then he just sees the message yesterday. He's like, oh shit, sorry about that.
It's like a small world, because I was in Bangkok when he sent me the message.
Yeah.
And on, you know, social media, we don't always see everything.
Yeah, messages slip through. Yeah.
And then like here we are in paradise.
Yeah.
And I'm like, all right, I'm gonna add you on Instagram. And I'm like, no way.
Oh,
you sent me a message
already
6
a
months
DM.
ago.
Yeah, and I recognize him from his videos, and then I see your Instagram ads now.
Yeah.
So speaking of that, like, yeah, man, what are you working on? What's your story? How did you get here?
Yeah.
For people that don't know you yet.
I think what, you know, I'm focused on the most is helping people live the kind of life that we're living.
Absolutely.
The digital nomad life. And it doesn't really matter what kind of remote business you have. Like, the whole focus is it's real, it's reliable, remote, and it's ready to go, you know, and whatever it takes to set it up. This guy, working hard, you know, we're on a trip, and you know, it's not work when you love what you do. Exactly. So I see him this whole trip, and like even the guy right here, he's like, these guys are working hard. That's what someone else would see. We're always holding cameras. We're always, you know, filming things. You know why? We really love the people that watch these videos. Like we're speaking to you. We want you to be able to explore, to adventure, to have you know, whatever it is that your dream life is. So I created a company, Heal, and that was just like, how can I help people just travel and be healthy, health, wealth, love, happiness.
Yes, sir.
And just so grateful to meet Jabril that connected us, and all the awesome content creators and influencers and people just traveling, living their dream.
Exactly. This is like, I've been thinking about this, like, this is literally the dream. Traveling the world in dope places with like-minded people, making dope content.
Yeah.
Is that not the dream? Like, now we're just like giving back, I guess, just showing people like, yes, it is possible to get here. Just keep your mind down, and figure it out. Surround yourself with like-minded people, and it's possible. That's like all we're sharing.
Yeah, it's you know, dream bigger, dream now. It's whatever you want. I was homeless 4 years ago. I was sleeping in a tent. I was cashing in coins to get, you know, a ClickFunnels account. 10 years I was basically broke, sleeping on couches. I had a 400 credit score. You know, it took me 9 years to graduate college. I got arrested twice. I was a drug addict for 16 years. But this is the thing, as I just said, I learned how to be vulnerable, to share my story, and then just to speak the truth to other people. And like, hey, you could live anywhere. You could do anything you wanted with your life. You can just create videos. You can connect people. You can, you know, have different merchandise. Whatever it is that you want is possible, just with a strong belief level, but getting around people like Riley and just all these great people, because this was a little bit different. It was real organic, and everyone was, we're doing good, you know, and we like to help other people. So that was the common connection between all of us.
Exactly. We were all at the same place, same time. Like, this was not planned up until like a couple weeks ago. And Jabril was like, yeah, whoever's in Bali, you know, we're doing this video, like, just come roll, you know. If you're a creator, entrepreneur, like pretty much everyone here is a creator, which is crazy. Okay, I didn't even know about that about you, bro. Like, okay, homeless, like, so cashing in coins to start a ClickFunnels account. So what was that moment that you were like, okay, I need an online business?
Well, I started in 2012, and I had a good run of success, and I just realized the companies I was a part of, they were, you know, built on shaky, unsturdy ground, and they collapsed. And when that happened, I'm like, gosh, I got to start over. And that happened twice, and it's just so frustrating. So I'm like, let me start my own company. Like, that should be an easy thing. But the first 4 years I failed. I lost every dollar I had, every dollar I could borrow. And I was just literally flat broke because of systems, technology, you know, trying to make things perfect. That was like, how can I make it perfect before I show anybody? That's a huge mistake. It's better to show everybody right away, test, see what people like, connect with. And it's all about the content, the community, the commerce. So you remember those three things. There's so much value behind that. That's all you need to figure out: content, community, commerce. And when I got connected with that, like, my life started to really just take off. And it was all because I just said, I'm gonna go outside of my comfort zone. I went to Thailand, Bangkok.
Okay.
Because of Jabril's passport heavy video.
There you go.
And I'm like, boom, in Thailand, and I go, I meet a doctor.
Yeah,
He's got this plant-based health product. It was just out of nowhere.
Oh,
and,
so, oh yeah, you were doing it in Thailand. Okay.
All I did was I walk up and I'm on a Facebook Live holding this, and I see a sign that says Asian phytoceutical plant-based, and I walk in and I meet a doctor, and he's got this great product that I wasn't thinking about selling or anything, and I just sent some to friends in America, and they're like, keep buying, and
no way.
I've helped thousands of people since. We've sold tens of thousands of those.
Just some natural product.
It's just like plant-based health for your immune system. 5 ingredients. Just I love plants, and whatever it is, you know, whatever your style is, there's something for you out there with traveling and having a remote business. So
yeah, and
awesome.
If you can tie it into something you're passionate about, like natural health, getting away from the pharmaceutical system and that whole thing, breaking free from that, also breaking free from the 9-to-5 system, combine those two, synergistic blast off. Anyway, follow him, worldtraveler.io.
Thank you. This guy's he's a legend out here. Just you see, you're following him.
Well, I'm just another one of Jabril's disciples. You know, he just got me out here, so we're just like following our Jabril Jesus.
Yeah.
To continue the alliteration.
Good to meet everybody. I'll see you around the world.
Follow him, see him. Peace.